Hi guys, just open your camera. Okay, it's an activity session. I want to see your faces. Hi Shashwat.
Hello, sir.
Akshat. Akshat, am I audible? Can you hear me?
क्या आवाज तो आ रही है।
I cannot receive any. Your mic is not working or what? Okay, so let's do some quick revision, and I want to finish this activity as soon as possible. Okay, and it can only happen if you guys are ready with it. Okay, so let's start with a. Shashwat, open your camera. Let's start a quick introduction with you.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Just open your camera, Shashwat. His mic and camera is not working, but yours is working.
Sir, may I introduce myself?
Yeah.
Uh, good, good, good evening. My name is Shahid Pandey. I study in class 8 in CMS. My favorite color is play. I like to play football and skating. Uh, I want to become a businessman in my future.
Okay, fine. Good. In the coming days, I'll be also telling you that what else you can include in your this activities and all. Fine.
Yes, sir.
So please scroll down. Okay. So introduction we have finished, and now let's start with this. Akshat, you do this task. Okay. So we have done visualization also in last class. So there's just one more picture because I just like this activity, so I want to repeat it. So just go through the picture and write five different sentences that you can observe from the picture. Fine. Your time starts now. Done?
Sir, I'm just think, but long run.
Okay, one more minute. We have more activities to do. Okay, let's discuss now. I guess more time will not work out.
So my first sentence is that in this picture I can see a man who is thinking about the time, which doesn't wait for anyone. My second is time is money, and third one is the man is busy in his life and time is passing.
Please repeat the sentences again. I was not able to hear them properly.
So in this picture I can see a man who is thinking about the time, which doesn't wait for anyone. Time is money, and the man is busy in his life and time is passing.
What is the second line? What you have said? Second one?
Time is money.
Time is?
Money, money.
Okay. So, what do you think that how many statements are right?
So I can write money, but I need time.
Okay. So let's discuss. Don't you think one thing that the person who is sitting in the picture, he is overthinking. Overthinking like he's thinking for a very long time, and that shows that he has wasted a lot of time in just thinking. He's just sitting and thinking, doing nothing.
Yes, sir.
So overthinking is also not good. From this picture, we can conclude one thing that overthinking is not good. So just take quick decisions in your life, think little or think small, and just make it happen. If you just sit and keep on thinking, then you will never be able to execute that. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You're able to understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
So now can you just tell me that what you have understood from the picture in just one single statement?
So I have understood from the picture that we should take quick decisions and not waste much time in overthinking.
Okay, fine. So let's move to the next one. So this is the riddle. Just read this riddle, okay, and write your answer. And after that we will have a discussion. Hi Akshat, just go through the riddle and write your answer. After that you can type your answer also in the comment section or in the chat box. You have next uh, 30 seconds because this is a very quick riddle. Done guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay Shashwat, you tell me how John was able to do that.
Sir, I didn't think much, but I think that after magician, John was underwater for 2 minutes.
But how John did that? Like how John win the bet? Like how he won
Sir,
the bet?
he was carrying oxygen cylinders.
No, he was not carrying oxygen cylinders. Akshat, you tell me. Anything else, Shashwat, from your side? Like what John did that made him to win the bet? Anything else? Like he was not carrying oxygen cylinder, he was not having any type of special equipments. It was just his common sense. Now this is the biggest hint that I've given you. It was just the common sense that he used. Yeah, I understand, but the magician was famous for that trick, and John just broke his record.
Sir, because John started the timer 2 minutes earlier.
You just go through the statement, you just go through the question. It The biggest keyword here is under the water. Okay, the keyword is under the water, if you will see.
Sir means he is under the glass of water
Yeah,
or
exactly.
any
Yeah,
or any big container of water.
yeah. The magician was staying under the water, but what John did that he took a glass of water and put that water above his head. So now what he is doing, he's under the water. So according to the statement, John just tricked the magician and won the bet.
So,
Fine.
so like same method was magician was also using.
No, magician was actually going under the water, but when magician declared this bet, or when magician declared the challenge, then he said that you have to stay under the water for 12 minutes. Okay, so John said that according to your statement, I did the same thing. Now I just win the bet. So the magician was wrong in quoting the phrase. Fine. Why you just switch off your camera every time?
So many people are passing.
Okay, fine. No issue. So move on to the next question. So just put your hands. I know Akshat cannot do this, but just put your hands right like this in front of the camera so that I can see that you're not using any type of pen or any type of like writing material. Okay. So just answer the question without pen. What is the first one? You just have 10 seconds.
Sir,
Just
two.
what is the first answer?
So just a minute. So 1/2.
Good. What is the second answer?
Sir, the radius is 7/22.
Yeah.
Sir, 3.14. Yes, sir.
Think more. Think more. You're too close to the answer.
Sir, 1.
Akshat, your answer is not right.
Sir, area of circle is pi r square, then. Yes, sir, how?
You can, okay, so leave the second one, try the third one.
Sir, 1.
The answer of third is 1. Think again whether the third one is right or wrong. Think again.
Sir, 1/10.
Why you got confused? The first answer that you said was right. It's 1. Then I just, yeah, exactly. You're not confident in your answer. When you're confident, then accept that. Then stand for it. Take stand for your answer. Okay. Do not get confused because the question will try to confuse you, or the person who's asking you the question, or it can be an examiner. He will try to confuse you, but you do not have to like get confused. Just stay firm with the answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Now try the second one and just quickly finish this.
So I was said that it will be one only. So because 7 by 20, 22 by 7 and 7 by 22 will be cancelled and 1 square equals to 1.
Think again. That's pi r square. R square is what?
So radius square,
How you will write? How much radius is given?
7 by 22.
So
Also 7,
the square of 7 by 22 means what?
7 square and 22 square.
Okay, we will discuss this. Just think again because you're taking too long. This question is like do not even require to lift up your pen. You are able to answer the two question. What is happening with the second one? Exactly, Akshay did the right. 7 by 22. Answer is given right in front of the question. The 7 by 22 is the radius, 7 by 22 is the area.
Yes, sir.
Got that?
Yes, sir.
So these are how the questions are there. If you will give it a little more time, you will be able to figure it out. Okay. So in today's activity, what all thing did you learn?
So be confident.
Okay. You got to understand about visualization, which means creating an image in your brain about the event, task, or incident. Fine. Multiple permutation and combination. What this means, multiple permutation and combinations means like what are the possibilities, like what all thing can be possible. Okay, we are just trying to take out that. Critical thinking, solving the problems, are breaking down in simpler parts. Fine. The
Yes, sir.
brain was involved in three different activities. What were that?
So that was first we have to introduce ourselves, that was not an activity. And second was that we have to observe the picture and write 5 sentences of that. And third was a quick riddle. And the last one was 3 sentences which we have to solve without pen.
Good. Still, there were some changes that we'll be discussing in the coming activities. Okay, and we'll also be figuring out to have one parent-teacher meeting session with your parents and all in the end of the month or in the next month. Okay, we'll be discussing about your analytics and your performance, and make sure that Akshat in the next activity your mic and camera is working, or join with some other device where you can have that like facility and all. Okay. Any question, guys, that you have? Altaf sir, anything that you want to say?
Like, that's all for now.
Okay. So let's wrap this up. Bye, guys. We will have the meeting next time in the next activity session.
Thank you, sir.